Hello and welcome again to yet another class of botany of BSc semester 1 and paper 1. So I am Professor Niranjana and you are watching my video on botany paper 1. So today we are going to study about the characteristics of life. Characteristics of life means what are the symptoms, what are the signs, what are the symptoms, what are the signs of life, with help of which we can identify the organism as a living organism. Okay, you know that there are two type of things, objects or material are there, and that are one is the non-living things and another one is the living things. So if the thing we consider as a living, then it must possess this character. If this character is not present in that thing, then that object or material is considered as a living organism. So for being a living organism, this character is essential to have by that organism. Okay, ये सब लक्षण चाहिए. ये सब अगर लक्षण नहीं है या फिर इनमें से कुछ चाहिए, ज़रूर नहीं कि पूरे ही चाहिए. ज़्यादातर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में प्लांट रहे या एनिमल रहे, ये सब कैरेक्टर्स रहते हैं, फीचर्स रहते हैं. लेकिन कुछ ऐसे है जिसमें मतलब एक आधी नहीं एक आधी रह सकता है या फिर ज़्यादा नहीं रह सकते. लेकिन एक है एक्सेप्ट वायरस. It is known in Marathi and Hindi as Vishanu, and other one microorganism, that is the bacteria. It is known in Marathi as Jivanu. In Marathi and Hindi it is known as Jivanu. So virus, for particular virus the term Vishanu is applied, and for bacteria the Jivanu term is it is a specific word, that is Jivanu, which is to be used for the bacteria. Okay, then there is another microorganism, protozoans. Okay, so these protozoans you will have to study in the zoology, because this is not the studying part of botany. So protozoans are known as the Adijiv in Marathi and in Hindi. So protozoa, example of protozoa is the malaria causing bacteria, that are the species of Vivax. Okay, so these are the protozoans. Amoeba, you know amoeba. So amoeba is also the example of protozoan. Vivax, which cause malaria. Mosquito transmit the disease, but causative agent, these protozoa present in our body and causing us the malaria. Okay, so these are the microbes. To see it we need the microscope, compound microscope, which is available in our laboratory and available everywhere, and also utilized by the pathology doctors. Okay, so under that microscope bacteria is not seen. Bacteria is seen, protozoa can be also seen, but virus are not seen under the compound microscope or the microscope which we use in our laboratory. To see it we have to use the electron microscope. Okay, so except virus shows only one living thing's activity, that is the reproduction. Reproduction, that means producing the new young one which is similar with that of their parent. Okay, that is known as the reproduction. मतलब जो संतति है वो अपने पेरेंट जैसे रहती है, तो वो पेरेंट जैसे मतलब एक आधी ऑर्गेनिज्म ने वैसा ही ऑर्गेनिज्म प्रोड्यूस करना, that is known as the reproduction. Organism which is already produced, now capable for the producing another organism, that means reproduction. Okay, so production from already produced living organism. Okay, so we have forefathers. They produce our grandfather produce the father, our father and mother, and then mother and father give birth to us. Okay, so for reproduction, that means giving the living, producing the living organism by the living organism. Okay, so mature living organism. So viruses only shows reproduction. Viruses are not made up of cellular. They are not made up of cell. They don't have, as they don't have, they are not made up of cell. They don't have protoplast. Protoplast means content of cell. सेल के अंदर का जो मटेरियल रहता है उसको कलेक्टिवली पूरे मटेरियल को कहते हैं प्रोटोप्लाज्म. ठीक है, तो ये प्रोटोप्लाज्म भी नहीं रहता. अब प्रोटोप्लाज्म नहीं है तो वो रेस्पिरेशन भी नहीं करता है. रेस्पिरेशन भी नहीं करता तो उसके अंदर मतलब मेटाबॉलिज्म. मेटाबॉलिज्म मतलब रिएक्शन जो सेल के अंदर होती है, दैट रिएक्शन इज द मेटाबॉलिज्म. तो मेटाबॉलिज्म नहीं होता है. अब मेटाबॉलिज्म नहीं होता तो वो न्यूट्रिशन नहीं ले पाता. न्यूट्रिशन लेना मतलब ऑब्टेनिंग फूड फ्रॉम सम सोर्सेस. वी आर एनिमल, वी ऑब्टेन फूड फ्रॉम एनिमल सोर्स, बट प्लांट obtain or synthesize their food by using the inorganic material and some non-living things, that is light, and with help of photosynthesis they produce the or synthesize the food. Okay, so they synthesize food, then it is supplied to the animal, and animal utilize that food, and some part they store. That means whatever the food I have eaten, okay, that is converted into energy, and that energy is utilized to build my body, my protein, my cell, my muscle, my bone, etc. So these are the utilization of nutrition. So part of the nutrition, all the part of food which we get is converted into energy. That energy is then utilized for building up the living organism's body. Okay, so nutrition, and which is stored, now nutrition is stored in my body, so I can afford my body to tiger and lion for their food. Okay, so this body they utilize as their food. Then growth, when 20 or 20 years ago I was young and my size, my height was not up to this. I was shorter, then I become taller, and I was thin, now I am little about fat. So that is the growth. So if living organism is there, growth. So viruses don't shows growth because they are not made up of cell. So there is not increase in cell or doubling of cell or doubling of that double cell, tetrads, and lots of cell. So from one cell divide into two, then they mature, again they divide into two, they mature. By this way there is increase in size, that is known as the growth. Okay, and they don't show movement. Viruses don't show movement. If virus is here, that virus will not come to our body. It is carried by some agencies like water, air, contacts, through the water droplets, that is the aerosol, which is given out from the mouth when person is talking. Okay, so they don't show movement. So animals show movement, and plant also show movement. Example is the sunflower. Okay, then sensitivity, we are sensitive organism. Generally animals are more sensitive. If somebody pass me a pin, अगर किसी ने मुझे टाचनी अगर चुभाई तो मैं ऐसे हाथ झटकूँगा. तो वो चुभाना मतलब क्या है, दैट इज गिव्स द स्टिमुलेशन, और मैं ऐसे हाथ झटकूँगा तो उसको कहते हैं रिस्पॉन्स. तो स्टिमुलेशन को रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं. ज़्यादा अगर लाइट है, ज़्यादा हीट है, तो वो स्टिमुलेशन हुआ तो उसके रिस्पॉन्स में मैं क्या करूँगा कि किसी मतलब क्या बोलते ठंडी जगह पे जाऊँगा. दैट इज़ माई रिस्पॉन्स, and that is known as the sensitivity. So every living organism, plant also shows the sensitivity. If extreme heat is there during summer season, okay, then plant droop their or compress their leaf or shrink their leaf so as to minimize their surface areas to the light. जितना कम सरफेस एरिया रहेगा वो लाइट पे उतना ज़्यादा वहाँ से उतना कम वहाँ से पानी निकलेगा, तो प्लांट कैन मेंटेन देयर वाटर in their body. Okay, osmoregulation, known as the osmoregulation. So plant, there are lots of example of plants which shows the response to the stimulation. You know the touch me not plant, that is the Lazadu in Marathi. So if you touch that plant, then it gives response, that means they shrink their leaves. Okay. So that are the sensitivity. And mutation, every living organism show mutation, that means suppose this is cell, okay, and in cell there is nucleus, in nucleus there are chromosomes, okay. So due to environmental factor and due to divisional, when cell divide into two daughter cell, at that time somewhat changes is occur in DNA, and due to some X-ray, due to some ultraviolet radiation, due to sudden rise in temperature and fall down in temperature, these also cause the changes in DNA, which is known as the mutation. And mutation then tend into the evolution. तो मैं मतलब आदमी कोई पहले नहीं आया, पहले मतलब ऐसे जानवर आए थे, मैमल्स, छोटे छोटे चूहे जैसे, फिर वो मैमल से म्यूटेशन हुआ, इवोल्यूशन हो गया, तो कुछ ऐसे घोड़े ऐसे वगैरह बंदर ये वगैरह बन गए, कुछ बंदर में म्यूटेशन हो गया तो कुछ बंदर मतलब मका के बंदर रहे, पूछ वाले कुछ एप्स बन गए जिसको पूछ नहीं रही थी, वो ओरांगुटान गोरिल्ला वगैरह, ठीक है। तो उनमें से एक मतलब ह्यूमन जैसे थे, मतलब ह्यूमन जैसे थे, तो वो बंदर अलग हो गए और फिर उससे इवोल्यूशन करते 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 अब बंदर जैसी चेहरा नहीं है अपना, अपन मतलब sophisticated and look like the modern man. Okay, so this is because of the mutation. This is happened because of the mutation changes occurred in the cell. If change would not have been occurred in cell, then the evolution or new type of organism cannot be possible. So these are the mutation. So virus shows the mutation because their body is not made up of cell, their body is made up of, virus body is made up of central portion of DNA or RNA. If DNA or RNA are helically coiled, if DNA or RNA is helically coiled and to which protein is covered, this is protein and this is DNA or RNA. Okay, so centrally there is DNA or RNA, only one, single stranded or double stranded again. So only single stranded or double stranded RNA, or if virus, that are the speciality. If one virus is having double stranded DNA, that means it produces so many viruses, and that offspring of that virus also contain the double stranded DNA. It is it does not mean that one time virus have single strand RNA and other time it have the it has the double stranded RNA. Okay, so single stranded RNA or double stranded RNA possessing is the characteristic of particular virus. There are lots of virus. Rabies is also caused by virus, AIDS is caused by virus, hepatitis, COVID जिसको कहते हैं, which is caused by virus, common cold which is caused by virus, corona, it is a disease or collection of disease, बहुत सारे disease अगर एक साथ होते हैं तो that is known as the syndrome. तो रेबीज़ है ना, पोलियो है, पॉक्स डिसीज ऐसे चेचक आना या फिर चिकन पॉक्स होना या फिर स्मॉल पॉक्स होना, तो कांजनिया, मीजल, मम, these are the diseases which are caused by the virus, and all virus are differ from one another, and they have contain suppose there are two virus, this is this contain double stranded DNA, helically coiled double stranded DNA, and they are covered, it is covered by protein. So this is protecting protein, अभी it is protecting protein, and this is double stranded DNA and protecting protein, but this is one type of virus and this is another type of virus, because DNA is not similar. All we organism, plant, animal, all are all these animal are made up of cell, and in their cell they have DNA. But our DNA and plant DNA and monkey's DNA and horse DNA or neem trees cells DNA, these DNA are differ. Differ means their sequence are differ. Not all DNA of every living organism are similar. Okay, so I am a human being and you are also human being, but my DNA and your DNA is 99.9% is similar, but there is 0.1% is dissimilarity. And with my parent, my 99.99% DNA is similar, but 0.01% DNA is dissimilar. That's why I am though look similar with my with the face of my parent, but I am not altogether similar exact copy of my parent. There is little about variation. Okay, so virus is made up of only DNA or RNA and which is protected by protein. Okay, so this is known as the virus. This is known as virus. Actually, the inner nucleic acid, which is DNA or RNA, it is known as virus, and with surrounding protein known as the virion. Virion. So the structure of coronavirus which we see, these are the corona spikes. Okay, larger size. So this is membrane and these are spike. Okay, and here is protein, and in the protein virus RNA is there. So virus RNA covered by protein is same thing in every virus. So such virus known as the non-enveloped virus, naked virus. And this virus again have membranous envelope and with some spikes, but these have again envelope or coating of membrane. So it is these virus are the envelope virus, and these are the protein part. Okay, this is not again covered by membrane, any membrane, so it is naked virus, and this is envelope virus. So there are two type of virus, naked virus and the envelope virus, but there is no cell, no metabolism. When this virus attack to the living host सेल विच इज़ लिविंग, डेड सेल के ऊपर अटैक नहीं करता. तो ये करता है तो ये क्या मतलब अपने आप नहीं जाता है, किसी एजेंट से कांटेक्ट हो गया कि या फिर नज़दीक से कोई बात किया बिना मास्क लगाए तो अपने अंदर अगर वो चला गया तो जैसे वो कांटेक्ट में आ गया लिविंग सेल के तो वो अपनी एक्टिविटी शो करता है. ये इसके अंदर चला जाता है, ये सब पार्ट फिर सेपरेट हो जाते हैं और ये इसके अंदर का आरएनए फिर यहाँ आ जाता है सेल के अंदर. अब ये आरएनए क्या करता है, बहुत सारे आरएनए तैयार करता है, बहुत सारे आरएनए तैयार करता है और प्रोटीन भी तैयार करता है, जो प्रोटीन फिर इसके ऊपर आ जाता है और इसके सेल के अंदर जो मेम्ब्रेन रहता है ये मेम्ब्रेन उसके ऊपर कवर्ड हो जाता है और वो उस वायरस जैसे बहुत सारे वायरस यहाँ तैयार हो जाते हैं. ये जिस साइज़ के हैं वही साइज़ के उसके ऑफस्प्रिंग रहते हैं. ऐसे नहीं कि पहले छोटे हैं फिर बाद में थोड़ी देर बाद बड़े होंगे, ऐसे वगैरह नहीं. मतलब वो बनते टाइम ही जब ऑफस्प्रिंग एक के बहुत सारे बनते हैं तो सब ऑफस्प्रिंग all have the same size, and this then bursts the cell and infect to nearby cell, adjacent cell, and killing that cell, then it goes to the nearby cell. By this way that tissue or lung tissue cell, लंग्स के सेल वो क्या हो जाते हैं, डैमेज हो जाते हैं, जिसके कारण लंग कैनॉट वर्क प्रॉपरली एंड देयर ऑकर problem with the exhalation and inhalation, and due to which that animal die. Okay, so viruses are very simple, made up of central core of nucleic acid, whether DNA or RNA, and covered by protein. Some viruses have additional coating of membrane, and in membrane there is protein, but along with protein there is lipid. Here no lipid is there. And some glycoproteins, these are made up of glycoproteins, means some part of carbohydrate is there. So lipid plus carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acid, lipid, carbohydrate, all things are there in envelope virus. But in naked virus only protein, only central nucleic acid, DNA or RNA, and with its covering or coating of protein. Okay, So only virus is the exception. That's why some scientists thought that virus is a living or non-living organism, because it don't show growth, don't show movement. It shows sensitivity or irritability. It shows sensitivity लिटिल अबाउट, बट इट शोज म्यूटेशन. क्या होता है, सार्स का जो वायरस था, ये सार्स का वायरस है, तो इसके आरएनए में कुछ चेंजेस आ गया, तो अब ये बन गया है सार्स कोविड-19. सार्स कोविड-19 मतलब ये क्या है, सार्स का ही एक मॉडिफाइड वर्जन है. तो इसमें म्यूटेशन होता है. अब डीएनए म्यूटेशन का होता है डीएनए में, और इसमें डीएनए है आरएनए में, उसके जेनेटिक मटेरियल में. तो जिसका डीएनए जेनेटिक मटेरियल है, उसमें सिर्फ वायरस में ही डीएनए जेनेटिक मटेरियल है, बाकी अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म में वो कोई मतलब मेन जेनेटिक मटेरियल नहीं है. ठीक है. तो लेकिन वायरस में, कुछ वायरस में डीएनए मेन जेनेटिक मटेरियल रहता है, कुछ में आरएनए मेन जेनेटिक मटेरियल रहता है, लेकिन वो वहाँ जेनेटिक मटेरियल रहता है. ठीक है, आरएनए या डीएनए का. तो इनमें म्यूटेशन होता है. तो सिर्फ ये म्यूटेशन शो करता है और रिप्रोडक्शन शो करता है. उसका एक ही काम है कि कोई लिविंग सेल मिला उसका कॉम्पेटिबल. ऐसे नहीं कि वायरस का सेल प्लांट के ऊपर अटैक करता है, या फिर प्लांट का वायरस एनिमल के ऊपर अटैक करता है. दे आर स्पेसिफिक विद देयर होस्ट. ठीक है. किसी कोई अपने आदमी जैसे नहीं, इसके भी घर जाओ उसके भी घर जाओ, अपना जो होस्ट है उसके घर जाते हैं ये, तो उसका कॉम्पेटिबल होस्ट मिलता है, मतलब ह्यूमन बीइंग, बर्ड्स वगैरह और कुछ मैमल्स वगैरह, तो वो उनको इन्फेक्शन देता है. ठीक है. तो और इन्फेक्शन देता है तो क्या करता है, तो सिर्फ रिप्रोडक्शन करता है, अपने जैसे बहुत सारे वायरस बनाता है, फिर वो दूसरे सेल को हार्म करता है. इस तरह से दे शो ओनली रिप्रोडक्शन एंड शो म्यूटेशन. दे शो सेंसिटिविटी, some little pheromones are interferon, not pheromone, interferon are sometimes used as a drug against the viruses के अगेंस्ट में इंटरफेरॉन इसको एज अ ड्रग करके यूज़ करते हैं. तो दे शो सेंसिटिविटी विद द सोप. अगर पानी, साबुन पानी से हाथ धोए आपने, तो ये रप्चर हो जाता है. इसके ऊपर का ये रप्चर हो गया तो इसकी स्पेशलिटी गई. ये वायरस है मेन, लेकिन इसकी स्पेशलिटी नहीं गई क्या, क्योंकि इसका ये रप्चर हो गया एनवेलप. अब वो वायरस कोई काम का नहीं है. ये वायरस तब फंक्शनल रहता है जब ये इसके पूरे पार्ट हो. एक भी पार्ट नहीं है तो वो जिंदा नहीं रहता. ठीक है. तो ये सेंसिटिविटी भी शो करता है. तो सेंसिटिविटी, म्यूटेशन एंड रिप्रोडक्शन, ओनली दिस कैरेक्टर इज अप्लीकेबल टू द वायरस, वेयर एज in bacteria, in protozoa, and in plant and in animal, all these things are necessary one for being it's a living being. Okay, thank you.